I have seen so many ads on YouTube videos. Maybe before I watch a YouTube video, I've seen so many ads that are very, very extremely misleading. And some ads are misleading, some ads are malicious, and some ads are total scams. Like when I mean malicious, I mean once you go ahead to click on the website, they end up collecting some of your info, which they end up using to spam you, or which they end up using to even scam you. Why some are just blatant scams in the first place. Some products which they advertise as scam, and you see videos telling you, okay, you can make money this way, all you need to do is register for this and that. Like I've seen so many videos and so many products being recommended, even applications. I've seen applications that we advertised on YouTube, YouTube ads, and then these applications have ended up causing more harm than good for those people that downloaded these apps. So what am I trying to say? This is not going to make me turn off my monetization, because what I noticed is that, or maybe I didn't know this before, but YouTube still posts ads on your videos irrespective of if you are monetized or not. Because, and really I don't blame them. I know some people blame YouTube for doing that, but well, it's their platform, and they have you're uploading to their servers, you upload videos to their servers, and you're doing all these things for free. They're helping you to take care of the platform and every of those things. So it's just like having a website without needing to pay for it. So that is what YouTube is. So I wouldn't really blame them for posting ads on these videos, but I think they can do better in terms of validating these videos or these ads that are put out there. They need to make sure that any application that is advertised is not going to be something that would cause harm to the viewers or cause harm to the audience. And if maybe, perhaps, obviously sometimes they might not know, but if an ad is reported, they should make sure they look into it deeply. I've seen so many times when people have reported certain ads for being misleading or for being malicious or for being a scam, and yet nothing will be done. You will see this ad still going over and over again. I don't want to mention names, but I just have to. So there was a this sort of, I don't know if you've heard of tube camera before. I think it's sort of, it sounds like TubeBuddy, but it is not TubeBuddy. I think tube camera is it's a sort of, they tell you that they can help you grow your YouTube channel without you needing to do anything and something of that sort. I really didn't engage with them, but after I saw the ads recently on YouTube, and then I said, let me just check what tube scammer was all about, and I checked videos on YouTube reviewing that platform, and all the videos reviewing that platform said that the platform was basically a scam, and maybe they didn't get what they paid for, or I don't know what it did for them. But what I'm saying is that I'm not validating that, because I didn't really use the platform and I didn't have time to investigate further. So what I want to tell you in all this rambling is that you might see ads on my videos. Please and please be careful. Yeah, some ads are great, some ads are not great. So make sure before you engage with any of these ads, please and please try to confirm the legitimacy before you click on any link to any website, or before you download, or before you start doing whatever they tell you to do. Make sure you confirm that this is legitimate and you're not putting yourself in harm's way. So I guess that's what I wanted to share with you. Please and please be careful out there. Right now, every platform is just trying to make money. So everyone is putting any form of ad. Anybody is putting any form of, it's easy to just run a sponsored ad. And most times these platforms don't care. Okay. Even now, influencers are going ahead taking deals and recommending platforms that they've not tested themselves. So just be careful out there. If you see any ad on my video, except it's an ad I'm recommending, please, you need to be careful. So that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. And yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to stay safe.